Hello, everyone.
Hi, everybody.
This is Amy from Bloomden. Today, we have a very important customer from France, Iran. We're very happy to meet you there.
Thanks so much. Thanks so much, Amy.
It's our pleasure. So, welcome you to visit Bloomden.
Thank you.
So, may I know what do you think of Bloomden?
Of course. First of all, thank you so much for having me there. It's really great to be part of you, Bloomden family. And so I said family because I getting involved with all the warm welcome that I see since the beginning of here. So thank you so much for all the welcoming, so for all the team, thank you so much. And about what I think of Bloomden, it's not such a family company. It's also, I think, in a business way, one of the best implantologist company in zirconia, of course.
So thank you, recognition.
Thanks so much.
Okay. So may I know what's your vision for the future with Bloomden?
All right, yeah. Personally, my vision for the future should be on the marketing way. So I'm involved in luxury marketing. So I do enjoy really well all about the development, all about the way that I can advertise other country, maybe Europe, about what Bloomden is doing, because I think it's doing a really well job. So I should say about my future that I would like to be part of the marketing team, to get the knowledge, to after bring it back in Europe and to show them that what we are doing in China is the perfect way.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Will you have a nice day in Bloomden in China?
Yeah, sorry I have to go back in Europe. I'm so sad about it.
Okay,
Thank you. Bye everybody.
Bye.